The book Radiation Safety Guide for Nuclear Medicine Professionals. The authors are Dr. Pankaj Tandon, Mr. Divya Prakash, Dr. Subhash Chandra Kheruka, and Dr. Nagesh N. Bhatt. In 360 pages, it has 24 chapters with topics pertaining to different aspects of radiation safety in nuclear medicine. Based on years of hands-on experience, the chapters are prepared in such a way that they become reference material for various situations encountered in the day-to-day practice of nuclear medicine professionals. Chapter 24 is specially designed for RSO exam aspirants and contains 250 multiple-choice questions, 100 true or false, 60 fill-in-the-blanks, and 40 match-the-following questions. Topics covered: radiation physics and radiation biology, planning and design of nuclear medicine facility, cyclotron and high-dose therapy facilities, Nema and routine quality control of PET-CT and gamma camera, working mechanism of radiation detectors, emergency preparedness plan for nuclear medicine, nuclear medicine dose assessment, CT dose assessment specific to nuclear medicine, radioactive waste management, radiation safety consideration in nuclear medicine, cyclotron and while radiopharmaceutical preparations. MCQs, match the following, true-false, fill-in-the-blank questions for RSO exam aspirants.